I'll just explain it in one word: magical.
Yeah, definitely.
Truly magical.
Actually, Maasai Mara was always in our bucket list, and it happened because of Shashank mainly, because this is the third safari we are doing with him, and when he had this offer, we just jumped on the opportunity.
My childhood friend, Dr. Arup Datta, who had, I think, gone with you for 2 safaris in India. So he told me at that time that this is available, are you interested? That we decided we should go. And it was the right choice.
This was a very amazing experience for us, first time experience. We really enjoyed. Thank you, Shashank.
Landscape vast. I mean, I was not expecting this. Wherever we turned our heads, we could see the greenery and the animals, and it's magical.
Big five, lion, elephant, rhino, leopard, and buffalo.
So I'll start with the antelopes, maybe, because people generally don't mention the antelopes. Of course, the Thompson's gazelle, which is there, and the topi, and you have the Grant's gazelle, and then we saw the hyenas. We saw a lot of hyenas actually, and we saw a pair of jackals also today, while as soon as we were coming out.
Even though I love all the animals, my favorite has always been elephants. And seeing the elephants and the baby elephant, and especially even this morning when we were ready to leave and our day started with it, because I was praying for that. I was literally praying for that. I hope we get to see elephant one more time before I leave, and God answered my prayer.
For me, I think the top 3 would be: first, the lioness with the cubs. I would rate, the cheetah posing for us also on the second. And probably the third would be the elephant herd we saw.
Although there were many encounters which nobody will forget in his lifetime. The first night, if you recall, the light was fading and those 2 huge male lions were there. And the bigger one started grunting. Now, after the grant was over, he started walking towards the Land Rovers.
The camp was so good, and the staff and everybody were so helpful, and we really liked the place so much. Something like we were in the middle of the jungle and having all the comforts, and Shashank took us to such a place, and it was so good. Thank you so much.
No complaints at all. Given the circumstances, they did their utmost to make us feel comfortable. We were very happy. No complaints.
Oh, driver. You mean the driver? Hey, he's pretty cool. Very chill.
Nice guy.
Always smile on his face. And whenever we tell him stop, he'll stop.
Very dedicated, I would say, to his job.
Definitely.
And the kind of effort he made on the last day to
Rhino and everybody will remember
show
that.
us. Because, like you said, in bold words, trying, he's trying, he tried very hard.
Very hard.
Really. Great job.
Yes, his dedication to...
His dedication,
and he took us to all the places on time, and we could see everything. Big fight, we could, a good sighting was done, and very happy to get our wishes bucket list happily kicked off.
What can I say about Shashank? He's almost a family now, and we feel so safe with him. If Shashank is organizing something, forget about everything else. He knows the best what to do.
Oh gosh, that guy. If I have a chance, let me tell you, do it again. He's wonderful.
First time experience, very good. I recommend this for everyone. Thank you, Shashank, it was wonderful.
Amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.